Hi, I'm Dylan Jones.
And I'm Bo Songvisava. Join us as we travel to Thailand.
And we share our food secrets and how to cook Thai food.
This is about making Thai food at home with understanding, and it will be delicious.
Right, okay, we're going to do pad krapao. Pad krapao is basically stir-fried mincemeat with holy basil and chilies.
Right. This can be beef, this can be chicken, pork, whatever you like. But today we're gonna do it with beef.
We are doing it with beef. Pad krapao is an amazing dish. It's like a comfort food for Thais, really, isn't it?
If I don't know what I'm gonna eat, I'll probably opt to pad krapao.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's just like when you eat meat pie when you don't know what to eat.
What's important about this dish, because it is so simple, is you use really good ingredients. So it is with minced meat, but in this state we're using the ribeye steak, and we're going to mince it by hand, so it makes it nice and fluffy. The meat's well textured. I think it just makes the dish so much better than using a crap minced meat from the supermarket or something like that. You want to fry me an egg?
Of course. You want your eggs like really crispy?
Yeah, but runny in the middle.
No problems, I think I can manage. It's a lot of oil.
Yeah, but you can leave the oil in there, yeah, because you're going to use that wok, the same wok, to fry the meat afterwards. So
that's how we cook. We only wash once.
One wok dish.
Yeah.
While you're doing that,
yeah,
I'm going to do some chilies and some garlic. Now, when the Thais have the chilies, you've got the two different chilies. You've got the prikinul, which is this small one here. Literal translation is mouse shit chili. And then you have the longer Pikindadeng, which we call bird's eye chilies in Australia, I guess.
The mouse shit chili is just a lot more fragrance.
Yeah, it's also a little bit hotter, I find, no? Sure.
Crispy outside and runny in the middle as you like.
Fantastic.
Chef.
Okay, so that's chilies done. I'm going to do some chopped garlic as well.
Thai garlic?
Thai garlic. And I'm going to slice it, actually. Normally, most of the time we use mortar and pestle for pretty much everything. But I personally quite like it sliced in this one because it's got a bit more texture with the mincemeat.
Right. And this is holy basil in my hand, and it's red. In Thailand, you've got more than one type of basil. And it's called holy basil because in India, it's always grow along the temple. And with this red holy basil, it's more pungent, it's more fragrant. So if you can have your hand on to this, I recommend the red one only.
But you can just use the green stuff, if you have to. It's better than not using it, no?
But don't use the Thai sweet basil.
No, that is completely wrong.
Yeah. You're done yet?
I'm done. All right, well, I'm going to swap with you then.
It's smoky now.
It's smoky. So I should start cooking? Is that what you're trying to say? Excuse me. Okay, so chili and garlic in together. Thank you. Nice hot wok. And you want to cook this until everyone starts sneezing and coughing around you. And if you've got an actual wok burner flame at home, it's going to be even better because you can control the heat go hotter and cooler. There you go, it must be ready. Once the chili and garlic sort of fragrant and cooked,
and sneeze,
both sneezing, we'll throw in our beef. As you see, it's nice and quick, it's browned off really quickly. We're going to add our fish sauce. Let's go. Now this dish is literally hot and salty, yeah? As in spicy and salty.
And a lot of holy
I think the
basil.
correct term is shitloads.
Yeah.
Okay.
All good?
Done. I mean, it doesn't get much more simple than that really, but it's so tasty.